Good morning, everyone, and welcome to CrushonCovers. Just wanted to show you a quick clip from outside, sunny spring morning, and I'm so inspired to do whimsical character design with these lovely spring flowers. So let's get right into it, and grab your paintbrushes, and I'm also using gouache. So let's get on with our new gouache painting. All right. So first I will start by mixing the paint. So I'm mixing up a nice fuchsia color here, and I'm going to just blend it out. I'm trying to blend at least 3 different colors because I'm doing a magnolia plant. It's a Magnolia Whimsical Girl. So I wanted to get that variation of the color shades where I have the lighter shade of pink, if you want to call it fuchsia, or I don't know what other color you might want to call it, but to me it's a fuchsia or pink. And you want to blend that out. So I'm mixing 3 different shades here. One for the highlights, one for the low lights, and then I'm trying to make a shade for the green leaves that I want. One thing I will tell you is that the gouache cakes, they are not as thick and transparent as you would for the jelly, so keep that in mind. It acts more like watercolor. So here I am adding my wash all over to my whimsical girl. I do hope you enjoy this piece. It's just the character design, but the idea is to have the spring flowers going, so you can actually see the flower itself, even though it acts as her dress, but it's a character all in one. So I did have fun making this piece. It took me a little while, but I normally like bright, vibrant colors, so it was a bit of a challenge for me to actually go light, and because the whole idea for me is painting is painting vibrancy. But you have to learn the art of finesse, where you have to be subtle and not just put an explosion of paint all over your paper. So here I am trying to be gentle and delicate because it is a magnolia, and the pinks and the only thing I did not do in this was add purple, because I used a purple watercolor pencil to actually outline the sketch, so that in itself acts as the slight tint of purple that you would see in magnolia. So I left that part out because I wanted the watercolor pencil outline to blend in and make that shade of purple. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this. Remember that be the best version of yourself, and whatever you do, don't try to replicate anyone else. You can follow their advice, but all in all, at the end of the day, be yourself, because someone is waiting on you to be their inspiration. All right, and if you copy everybody with everything that they do, you won't be able to offer anything individualized, like definitely from your inspiration. So don't be afraid to try new things. That's how people learn, and that's how I'm learning. So I'm glad you're learning with me as I create these pieces. And don't worry about finding art style and what your style might be. Just go ahead, have fun, explore, and see what will happen, and then you will discover what entices you, what makes you tick, what gives you joy, and then you'll be able to bring that to your painting and also excite others to see what they can do and what you can do as well. All right, so enjoy this piece, and as well, Just a reminder to go and check my Redbubble store out. I normally put these as sticker prints or just as prints for products, and you can definitely go ahead and use these for your projects. Buy them for somebody who might need a pick-me-up or a notebook, something. All right, so thanks for watching, and I do hope you have a good and godly day.